Live from the Hobbit house with Paul, Wolf, Savannah, and Raz. And here's Paul. Alright, back to the songs.
Vegan parties and spiritual friends. I got pneumonia, when will it end? Vegan parties and spiritual friends. That's all I got. He's got to give me more lyrics. Give me some more lyrics.
It's now or never.
Go, Paul. Give me more lyrics. Just say something.
It's now or never. My friend to the end.
I'm gonna miss the cure time. I'm not gonna eat. I'm not gonna be able to go down to the street. That's it. It's a work in progress.